Hey guys, this is the Quizizz from yesterday. I want you to take notes on this. And I definitely want you to understand how to do these. So I wanted you to watch this video. So here we have an equation, and they want to know which answer matches this equation. So let's see what we can find. So we know we're looking for per, each, and every, and that should be for the 8 and for the 12. And then we have a starting point of 2. So let's just read A and see what we get. So we know Grayson ran at 8 miles per hour. Okay, there's our X. So we have 8X. That's perfect. And Cadence ran at a constant rate of 12 miles per hour, which is great. But she started at 2 miles. So that's not going to work for us because we need it with 8X plus 2. So that's not going to be our answer. Let's look at the next one. So first of all, we have Brian went to 2 different amusement parks. The first park charged $8 per hour and gave a 1% discount. Well, we don't even have that in the problem. Let's look at B. Jesse played a game where he scored 10 points. We don't even have a 10 in the problem. So let's take that one off. Let's look at the last one. I'll say Claire rode a bicycle, and the first day she rode 8 miles per hour and started 2 miles from her house. So that's plus 2. That looks awesome. The second day she started from her house and rode 12 miles per hour. That's perfect. So we have 8X plus 2 equals 12X. So D would be your answer. Let's look at the next one. Okay, number 2, we have another one. Which situation can be represented by this equation? 262 plus 3x is greater than 720 minus 5x. So let's see which one we have. So we have Jake, and he started with a bucket that contained 262 fluid ounces of water. Okay, that's perfect. It started at 262, so that works. It's being filled at a rate of 3 ounces per minute. That's our 3x. That looks great. Luke has a bucket that starts at 720 fluid ounces, and it is being drained at 5 ounces per minute. Perfect. So the numbers look great. Let's see what the sign is. What is X, the number of minutes that need to pass in order for Jake's bucket to be greater than? And that's the sign that we have, because here's Jake, and the second one was Luke. So that works out great. Your answer would be A. Let's go to number 3. Brooke began her school day with 25 pieces of gum, and she gave X away. So she has 25 and she gives X away. So it looks like it could be this one or this one. Amy started with 40 pieces and gave twice as much away. So that's 40 minus 2x. This is just x. That's not right because they're giving twice as much away. Then they want the same number, so it's going to be equal. Your answer is A. Let's look at number 4. Brooklyn began her school day with, okay, they want us to solve this. So we know that she has 25 and she gave away some gum. And then Amy started with 40 and she gave away twice as much. Let's see which one works. I'm going to pull the calculator up. I'm going to hit Y equals. I'm going to put in 25 minus X equals, so I'm going to hit enter, 40 minus 2X. I'm going to hit second trace 5. Whoops, that didn't work. Hold on. I'm going to hit Y equals. I'm going to hit second trace 5. And I don't see my lines, but I'm going to put enter, enter, enter. and it's not going to work because we need to zoom. So I'm going to hit zoom 3, enter. There's my lines. Now I'm going to hit y equals, whoops, second quit, y equals second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And I can see that my intersection is 15, so my answer is D. Okay, number 4, let's look at that. So Brooklyn began her day with 25 pieces of gum. Oh, wait. Sorry, I had to pause the video, and now we're working it, and we just need to know what the answer is. So I think we did it here. Let me pull this up. And yes, we solved it. We know X is 15. Let's go to the next one. So let's clear this, and let's move on to number 5. Number 5, what is the solution to this equation? Let's put it in the calculator. We're going to hit y equals, and we're going to put this in. We're going to put in 3x plus 4, enter, and we're going to put in 2x minus 4. Delete that. And now we're going to hit second trace 5, and there's our answer. So we're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And our intersection is, looks like -8. So number 5 is -8. Let's go to number 6. We haven't done anything like this, but that's no worries. We can put it in the calculator. We're going to put in x divided by 3 minus 3. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to put in x minus 9. I'm sorry, x divided by 9 plus 3. We're going to hit second trace 5. There's our answer. We're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And we can see x is 27. So it would be C. X is 27. Let's do number 7. Let's go up here, bring that up. Number 7. Whoops. I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to put in x divided by 4 minus 4. I'm going to hit enter, and I have x divided by 8 plus 2. I'm going to hit second trace 5. There's my lines. I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. Okay, it says error. So that must mean I'm going to hit second, quit. Then I'm going to hit y equals, and make sure I put this in right. I have x divided by 4 minus 4. I have x divided by 8 plus 2. So that must mean we need to zoom in. So I'm going to hit the zoom button that's in the middle. Then I'm going to hit number 3. Then I'm going to hit enter, and there's my lines. So now I can see. So I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to hit second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And we know x is 48, and that's why we couldn't see it, because x is so big. So your answer is B, 48. Let's look at number 8, and it's going to be a big one as well. Y equals x divided by 3 minus 4, okay? X divided by 4 plus 8. I'm going to hit second trace 5. There's my lines. Enter, enter, enter. And this one worked because we'd already zoomed in, and so we know that x is 144. Your answer is A. We're on number 9. Okay, let's move this up. First, we need to write our equation. And I can see that there is 3 shaded x's. So I know this is going to be negative 3x plus, looks like there's 10 ones, equals 5x minus 8. Let's see if we see that. Okay, number 1 isn't it because it's not a negative. This one doesn't even have an x next to it. This one doesn't have a 10, so your answer is B. Let's look at number 10. Pull your calculator up, hit y equals, and you're going to put in 5x plus 24, enter, and you're going to hit 9x minus 17. You're going to hit second trace 5. Whoops, it didn't work. Hold on. Let me quit. I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to hit second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And I see it's 10.25. So your answer is D. We're going to do the same thing for 11. Hit y equals. And we're going to put 0.6x minus 5, enter. And we have 0.1x. That didn't work. 0.1x plus 7. I'm going to hit second trace 5. There's my lines. Enter, enter, enter. We know x is 24. So our answer is C. Let's see what else we can do. We have, last one is number 12. And it has quite a few numbers in it, but that's no big deal because we're going to use the calculator. And we can see that x, let's see, it's 12x, 12x plus 7 minus 5. Enter. I'm sorry, minus 5x. Enter. And then we have negative 2x minus 14 minus 5x. I'm going to hit second trace 5. There's my lines. Enter, enter, and enter. So your x is negative 1.5. That's it, guys. That's it for the Quizizz review for Unit 8. We're going to do some more review on the next page. Thank you for watching.